Hi, I'm Patrick Barone of the Barone Defense Firm, and I'd like to talk to you about sentencing in your Michigan drunk driving case. It's important for you to understand that you can't get to the point of sentencing unless one of two things has happened. Either you've pled guilty in front of the court, meaning you've gone into court and acknowledged your guilt, or either the judge or a jury has found you guilty. Once a conviction has occurred, then the judge will refer you to the court's probation department for an interview and report. At the interview, the probation officer will be asking you questions about your criminal history, and it's very important for you to be forthright and honest when answering these questions. The probation officer will also be asking you questions about your employment background, your family background, your educational background, and so forth. The probation officer will also be administering what's called a needs assessment test. The purpose of that written examination, and it's 130 questions, is to help the court's probation department and therefore the court determine if you have a drug or alcohol abuse problem. After your interview, the court's probation officer will prepare a written report which will include their recommendation about sentencing and any treatment that may be necessary. Before going to the probation interview, it's important for you to talk to us about that interview so that you know what to be prepared for, so that you know what kinds of questions will be asked, so that you know what type of information you'll be expected to provide, what types of things you should bring with you, and so forth. We will also be assisting you in preparing for your statement at sentencing, because at sentencing you have an absolute right to make a statement to the judge. We will be speaking on your behalf as well, but it's important for you to be prepared to address why the offense occurred and certain information about your background, and perhaps most importantly what you've done since the offense occurred, so the judge can take all of that into consideration in determining what the appropriate sentence will be. Our job at the Barone Defense Firm is to get you the best possible sentence in your Michigan drunk driving case.